Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make fish do piazza, a delicious fish gravy recipe which can be enjoyed with hot steamed rice. So let's quickly start with the recipe. For my fish recipe, I have taken here rohu fish, and now we need to season the fish pieces with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now rub these spices well over the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for at least 10 minutes. Next we will dry roast some whole spices to make a quick spice mix. For that, heat a pan or kadhai and add 1 teaspoon coriander seeds or dhania, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds or sauf, 2 to 3 dry red chilies according to your spice level, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. Next we will add 2 cardamoms or elaichi, 2 small cinnamon sticks or dalchini, 3 cloves or long, and some whole peppercorns or kali mirch. And now we will quickly dry roast them until they turn aromatic. This is done. Now I will turn off the flame. In a mixer grinder, grind the roasted whole spices and you will get this kind of coarse spice mix. Next, heat a kadhai and add some mustard oil to fry the fish pieces. Spread the oil evenly on all the sides of the kadhai, and when the oil is hot enough, we'll add the marinated fish pieces into the hot oil one by one, and we will fry them until they are golden brown from both the sides. By now the fish pieces are fried deep golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same kadhai I will make the gravy. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of sugar in the oil so that it adds a nice color to the gravy when it gets caramelized. And also half teaspoon of red chili powder. Next goes 2 large onions sliced. Now on medium flame, saute the onions until they turn golden brown. By now the onions has been fried nice golden brown. Next I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them until the raw taste of ginger garlic goes away. And now I'll be adding a small bowl of tomato puree. I have used here 2 medium tomatoes to make the puree, and we will fry well until water evaporates and oil separates from the gravy. So by now the onions, ginger garlic, tomato puree has been fried well and it has become dry. At this stage I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a mix. Next goes the prepared spice mix, around 2 teaspoons, and on low to medium flame we need to saute the spices well. The spices has been fried well now. I'll add some water to form a gravy like consistency. And when the gravy comes to a boil, we'll add the fried fish pieces into it Coat the fish pieces well with the gravy. And now we need to cover and let the fish pieces simmer in the gravy for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. It's almost 6 minutes now and the gravy has become thick. Let's check for the salt proportion. Everything is well balanced. And now I will add 2 tablespoons of fresh curd or dahi. Mix the curd or dahi well so that it combines well into the gravy. And we'll let the fish simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. My fish pieces are well soaked in the rich spicy gravy. Finally, I will garnish my fish gravy with some chopped coriander leaves. That's it. I'll turn off the flame now. And here goes my rich and spicy fish dough pizza on the serving bowl. Enjoy this delicious fish gravy recipe with some hot steamed rice. So I hope you will try this interesting and delicious fish gravy recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more interesting recipes. See you soon again. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.